Okay, now we have seen that we can have an image. Let me draw it out for you. So we have an image. So here is my original image. Okay, and then from there I would take the docker run command. I would use this docker run command, and from the image I get a container, right? And then I make some changes in this. For example, I created file 1.txt file, or many changes like this. So now going ahead, if I want to convert this container back to an image, so I want this container to become an image. Why would I do that? Because I want the changed things to be used by people, by my team, or probably by my customers. So what is the way to do that? To do it, I will have a command called docker commit. We will use docker commit and see an image being created out of the container, right? Let's go ahead and do that in the next video.